Hi, Dickel.
Hi, Buzz.
Are you ready for the 2016 potato contest?
You bet. We're gonna beat that John from Arkansas again.
Why don't you order some of those Arkansas potato spiders like last year so we can send them to Ezekiel at Flocket?
I'm on it, Buzz.
Okay.
Oh no! The Arkansas potato spiders are all sold out. Maybe there's something else we can get. Let's see here. There's gotta be something else. Oh, wait. Arkansas spud moles. $20 free shipping. These spud moles will burrow into a potato garden and eat all those pesky, unwanted taters in weeks. This mole is what we need. Sayonara, John from Arkansas.
Well, hello there. I'm glad you could join me. We have here my rototiller. It hasn't been started since a year ago.
How you coming along with that garden tiller?
I've got year-old gas. I'm going to pour in there and try to see if it works. Will it work? I don't know. I'm just too cheap to buy some new gas. Keep your fingers crossed.
Well, of all the cheap, lousy ways to save a buck.
Supposed to pop this little bubble until you see gas. Alright. This is my Mantis tiller. I've had it probably over 20 years. I used it maybe a couple times, probably 20 years ago, and then last year. I had it started last year for the first time in maybe 20 years, 18 years, 19, something like that. Anyway, let's see if I can start it. You gotta turn it on up here. It's on. Got a bad back, so I can't do too much squatting. I don't believe it. Spoke too soon. I'm gonna have to take these things out so I can get it nice and hot without having to deal with those blades there.
Well, good luck, Pilgrim.
Well, old Buzz has gotten his potato seeds. First off, I bought these 2 boxes. This contains dark red Norland. And here's a sample that's in the box. And this one here is a Yukon Nugget. Now, John was talking about Yukon Gold, I think. Well, I got Yukon Nuggets. You get 6 of these for $7, which is kind of expensive, but here's a sample of that one.
Yeah.
Kind of a creepy looking thing, huh? And I was looking for some other potatoes, but they didn't have much of a variety there. So I went to my local feed store.
Duffy's Feed and Grain Store.
And I picked up this beauty.
So big.
This massive red one. I forget which variety, but this is a red potato. And look at all the eyes on that one. Peekaboo! We were talking about John Yukon Gold because he likes that Gold show. I used to watch that show when we had cable.
Holy crap! I found the glory hole!
And I picked up a Yukon Gold potato here. I'll be cutting these up and planting them like that. Then, since I had pretty good luck with those russets last year, I bought 2 russets. Look at this guy. I'm gonna get you! I'll get you! So that's my potatoes I'm going to be growing.
Oh, how nice.
He's going to plant 32 potatoes. I'm not going to plant them whole. Maybe some if they don't have too many eyes on them. Like this one here. But ones like this, I'm going to just carefully cut them so I'll get a couple eyes on each piece, then just put them in that way. That's what I did last year and it worked out for me. So John, there's my potatoes.
All right, let's just get it on here.
This one sort of looks like John, doesn't it?
I'll beat you, I'll grow more potatoes than you ever saw.
Okay, John. Man, this is the worst part about doing this, is getting all these weeds and flowers out of there before I can till it. I wish I could find Dickel, I'd make him do it. This looks like a potato plant. Probably one of the leftover potatoes. Let's dig it out and see what it looks like. There's the first harvest of the season. Look at that, John. I got 1/1,000,000th of an ounce. Just 100 pounds to go and I'll beat you. Let's select some more here. Look at that. I bet this one potato will beat you, John.
Holy mackerel.
Whoa, look. I think there's some more here. Mixed with weeds. Look. I already got John's output from last year, right here.
Holy moly. Oh well, you know what they say. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade.
Oh boy. Now that's as good as I'm going to do it. I'm going to just till everything under. Man, that's hard work for an old man.
You are an old man and a fool!
And there's the debris field there.
I hope I never see such a sight again.
You're looking at the leftover potatoes from last year's crop. These are in the garage all winter. And I just found them. I don't know if you can plant these with such long sprouts on them.
It's kind of spooky.
I also have these too, so.
You must be used to handling small things.
Now I cut up my potatoes and I don't have 32. I think that's what John was going to plant. I may have to use some of these. Let's go check to see how many I've got. Well, there's my potatoes that are, some of them are cut up and some of them are whole. I have a total of 22. So if he's planting 32, I'm gonna have to go in there in that box you just seen and take out 10 and reuse the ones from last year. So this could be a fatal error, or I could get lucky and the ones from last year will create a bigger harvest than this year than last year. I don't know. So that's what I'm going to go with. I'm not going to buy any more potatoes. I spent enough on them. Last year, after I did my harvest, I found some potatoes under the sink. So I planted them out here in the middle of the garden. And you know, I just forgot about those. And I was just trying to get some more weeds out, and I found some potatoes here. And this is where I planted them. So I'm going to dig these up and see what we've got.
You either let me win by default or you lose. As simple as that, you know? And I will be the 2016 potato growing king either way.
Look at that, John. I got you beat again. And these things have been in the ground all winter. I picked up 6 bags of this Ace compost the other day. I got to go down there and pick up 6 bags of topsoil. Alright, there's the potting soil I got to get, so I'm going to go in there and pay for it and come on out. A lot of work to do. Well, we're on our way home here. Already got the potting soil in the trunk. Thought I'd give you a little driving video here. So it's going to be pretty good weather. Tomorrow it's supposed to be 80. By then I'll have the potatoes in the ground. This is my street. house here. I put a lot of that potting soil over there by the fence because this whole thing was uneven. Right now, I'm going to change the blades. I just swap them so it changes the direction. Instead of digging deep, it just will create a little furrow so I can make some rows there and plant the potatoes. Well, there's the rows. I put 5 in. We'll try 5. Last time I had 4. So let's get the taters in the ground. I'm putting sulfur around the potato because the potatoes like acidic soil. So I'm going to plant them like this and sprinkle a little bit of sulfur in there. Okay, the potatoes are in. I have 4 rows. So, John, may the best man win. I may totally flop this year, I don't know. Maybe you can catch up and beat me this year. I planted them, the rest is up to God. We'll see you on part 2.
Buzz1151, that's his YouTube handle. He lives up in Portland, Oregon. He restores radios, just like the rest of us. And last year he challenged me to a potato growing contest. And, you know, I noticed his crop when he got all done. You know, there were a lot of worm holes and bug holes and scabby skins and tiny little potatoes and all kinds of other things. Sorry, Buzz. Your hopes of winning this year's potato harvest king, it's just been washed away. And go ahead and contact me and give up already.